Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install your Canon print driver on a Windows computer. So to start, we'll need to go to the Canon support page, which I'll link below in the description. And then once you're there, just go ahead and type in the model number of your copier. That model number is also listed on the front of the machine if you're not sure what it is. Scroll down here to Software and Drivers and choose the operating system that you have. And then scroll down to the generic plus UFR driver here. This version number may be a little different than what you have depending on the latest version available. We'll go ahead and click download, and then once it downloads, go ahead and run that executable file. To extract to the default location. And then in the search bar here, we're going to search for printers and scanners. It should be the first pop-up there. Go ahead and click Add Device. You may get a bunch of options listed here to the left, but we're going to click Add manually. And then Add Printer using IP address and hit Next. Then on this drop-down, select TCP/IP. And then go ahead and type in the IP address of the printer. If you don't know the IP address, there is a video listed below on how to find that. Go ahead and click Next once you have that entered. That should take just a second to populate. If it takes longer or you get an error message, take a second to make sure you're on the same network as the copier. Once we get to this part, we're going to click Have Disk and then Browse. And you're going to go to Home and go to your Downloads folder. You're going to have two folders here. We're going to go into the 64-bit driver and then just click Open and press OK. And that's going to give you the driver that we just downloaded. Go ahead and click Next. If you get this, you can do Replace Current Driver, which is fine. Hit Next. Here you can name the printer whatever you'd like, if you want to give it the model number or location. So we'll put ours as Downstairs Copier and hit Next. Now, if you get a pop-up asking for a username and password, that means that you need admin rights on your computer to install the print driver. So you'll need to reach out to your IT department, possibly your manager, and have them assist you in getting that installed. And once you get this screen, select the Do Not Share option, hit Next, and here you can print test page, make sure that it's working, and then finish. And that's it, you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching.